Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we are going to talk about Facebook ad account spend limits and how to overcome this issue. So, super typical situation when you're starting a new ad account. If you are here in this video and you have a new ad account, it means that you have spending limits restrictions. Most of the times it's $50 per day and it won't let you spend more than that. Now, I will share with you all of my personal experience with this topic because I have seen it a lot. Thing number one. When you're having limit restrictions, you cannot just go straight away to the customer support and ask them to increase the limit. What you should do is that you should at least spend for 1 month, keep spending the $50 per day, never lose a payment, never lose a payment. And the more you do that, the more you have better chances of contacting them about asking them to increase your limit. Another thing that I want to point out, which is coming also from my personal experience, the fact that you're going to have this month and you're going to be a good boy and you're going to do your payments on the right time.
You're such a good boy. I love you. I love you.
It doesn't mean that they're going to increase your limit. I had several cases that we contacted support and they increased the limit. I had several cases that we contacted support and they said that it needs at least 3 months in order for them to increase the limit. And I had several cases that we did new ad accounts and the limit was already raised and we didn't have any issue. The only way for you to solve this is to go and contact the customer support with the way that I have showed you in another video and ask them what is happening with this situation. As everything to Facebook, it's really a matter of the person that you're going to talk. If this person is a person that is not bored, it's going to help you. If not, you should keep trying. Another way to actually solve this is that you can ask them, okay, don't increase my spending limit on the account, but at least increase my ad account limit. So you can have ad account 1, ad account 2, ad account 3. Most of the times they let you do 3 ad accounts. So you're having 50-50-50. Keep into your mind that this is just a temporary solution and you should be always focusing in one ad account that you need to train. So this is something that you're going to do for a period in order for you to be able to spend 100-150, which I think it's an ideal budget for a startup. And then you will be able to transition all the budget to your main ad account when they're going to increase the limit. There are no other solutions. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my course, my free course or my book. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.